Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to sync Chrome across devices. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to sync your Chrome in like different kind of devices, you need to simply go to your Chrome browser. Once you're here, you need to sign in into the same Google account on all devices. Now, simply you need to turn on this sync option in the settings. You need to simply go and tap on your profile and go to your settings. There you can find the sync option like in the syncing to this particular account right over here. So you need to simply turn it on. Once you have done this on the mobile, you need to tap on the menu and go in the settings and do the same thing. Now, if you have simply ensured that you have turned on the sync everything to share bookmarks, password, history, and open tabs, you will be able to sync your Google account in like different kind of devices. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.